What's the meaning of B.F. Skinner? B.F. Skinner. B.F. Skinner.
B.F. Skinner. B.F. Skinner. B.F. Skinner was an American psychologist and behaviorist who is credited with developing the theory of operant conditioning. He believed that behavior is shaped by its consequences, and that positive reinforcement increases the likelihood of a behavior being repeated while negative reinforcement decreases it. Skinner's ideas had a profound impact on psychology and education, and he is considered one of the most influential psychologists of the 20th century. His work also extended to the field of linguistics, where he proposed that language is learned through environmentally mediated interactions. Overall, Skinner's contributions to the field of psychology have had a lasting effect on how we understand human behavior and learning.